Huntsville Hospital currently treating 40 COVID-19 inpatients, and so far this month, 13 have died, 8 of them in the past week.
Today marks 1 year since the hospital began administering COVID-19 vaccines. And News 19's Kelly Smith talked to doctors about that hopeful day, who say the pandemic is far from over.
People embraced as the first COVID-19 vaccines were administered at Huntsville Hospital. Dr. Jeff Walker was the first person to be vaccinated.
The CEO called me that day and said, hey, by the way, you're the first. So it was kind of an unexpected surprise.
Back then, the hospital was full and treatments were more limited.
We were admitting a lot of patients with COVID. We had ICUs full of COVID patients, and every day we were seeing people coming into our department having to be intubated.
Administering the first vaccine was a sign of better days ahead.
There's a lot of hope put on the vaccine that would change our lives and really open up the open up the community again and get us back to our normal life.
What doctors didn't know, the aspiration of soon ending the pandemic would not be realized, and many people would be resistant to getting the vaccine.
It was disappointing that a lot of people were resistant and hesitant to get the vaccine, and I don't think that was expected at the time.
As cases once again surged, peaking with about 220 COVID patients in Huntsville Hospital over the summer, physicians were able to realize a trend.
About 90% of the patients that are in the ICU are unvaccinated patients.
Currently, cases are much lower than they were a few months ago.
We still do have COVID patients, and I don't want people to think that this is over. I think it's far from over.
As doctors watch the Omicron variant spread, they are concerned about another wave.
We've kind of taken a breather right now a little bit, but anticipating the next wave, it's a bit overwhelming, and we're very concerned about the staff and nursing levels, and it's a big strain on the system.
Medical staff urge people to get vaccinated.
If you're scared of the vaccine, I would be much more scared of COVID.
In Huntsville, Kelly Smith, News 19.
Doctors are also asking people to remember another virus, the flu. They're hoping community members will get their flu shots too, which could also help keep hospital beds from being used to treat influenza as they continue to battle COVID-19.